Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to make a sprouted ragi flour which is so nutritious and healthy when you make it at home, and let's see how to prepare. First, for that I have taken 1 kg of ragi. You can do the same with 2 kg or more than. Wash it 4 to 5 times as it has many dust particles. It will float at the top. You can remove those dust particles. Then you have to soak it for almost 8 hours, or you can leave it for overnight. And after 8 hours, I am transferring the ragi to 2 separate cloths, because when we separate it, it will sprout good. So leave it for around 24 hours so that it will sprout well. And after 24 hours, I'm gonna let's see how it sprouts. It has sprouted well. Let's show you some in my hands. It is also sprouted well. Like this it is sprouted, and I have spread the ragi in 4 plates, and I'm going to keep it in sunlight for 1 or 2 days. Then we have to roast the ragi. Roast the ragi in medium flame. Don't burn it, because if you do in high flame means it has chances to burn. And I'm transferred it to a vessel, and I'm going to give it outside to make it a fine powder. And that's all. Our ragi powder is ready. Transfer it to your airtight box. And you can make recipes from our homemade ragi flour. And I have already posted a video of how to make ragi porridge for babies. Please do check the video, and if you like this video, do hit like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Aarti. We'll meet you all in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.